Hello and welcome. This is Angie with thecountrysheetcottage.net. So we're back today with another edition of Cricut Basics. So Cricut Basics are small, short videos explaining one aspect of Cricut Design Space. And today we're going to talk about the group function. So if you've ever wondered about the group function, what it does, what it doesn't do, we're here to answer those questions. So let's dive into Cricut Design Space and take a look.
So let's say I had a design and I wanted to resize the entire design to fit my shirt. I wouldn't want to resize each item individually because I want the sizes to remain the same, as far as the star being this size and the square being about double the size or so. So if I pick them all and click group, now this is one group. So anywhere I click, the entire group is picked. And now when I resize it, they all resize the same amount. So this gives me the opportunity to resize things at the same amount. What it also does is, if I pick the group, I can now duplicate the entire group instead of duplicating each piece and having to reset it again into the same configuration. Now, what this doesn't do, however, if I click Make It, you can see that my pieces are not lined up like they are on my canvas. So if I want these pieces to be lined up just like this as they are on my canvas, I would actually need to use the attach function. So I need to attach those together. And now when I click Make It, everything stays where it's supposed to be. So you can actually group and attach the same pieces together. So in this case, they're grouped and they're attached. So if I wanted to undo that, I would need to detach them and then ungroup them. And now they're each individual pieces again. Also, when my pieces are grouped together, if I was to change the material color to a different material, all of the pieces would change. So if I just wanted to change the text to a different color, I would just need to ungroup it and pick the text as a different color and then have everything else the same color. And then if I was to pick all of these and group them again, the testing actually remains the different color. So now when I cut them, it would be on two different mats and two different colors. But again, I would need to attach them if I wanted them to remain in the same orientation as they are on my canvas. However, if I pick the entire group at this point and click Attach, you'll see that the testing actually becomes the same color again. So let's say let's try again. We're going to ungroup. We're going to make the testing a different color. And now I want to, instead of grouping everything together, I'm just going to hold the control button down and pick all the orange pieces, group and attach those together, and then attach just the testing and click Make It. And now the testing will be its own color and it will be at the proper orientation, and all the other pieces will be at the proper orientation as well as attached together.
So I hope that helped answer some of your questions about the group function in Cricut Design Space, and now you can use the group function like a pro. So thank y'all so much for joining us. If you love this video and it helped you, give us a thumbs up. If you want to, head on over to our YouTube channel. We have tons of videos just like this one and just might help you with your problem in Cricut Design Space. Can't find a video and have a question? Leave us a comment below and we will try to answer that either in this video or in a future video where we talk all about Cricut Design Space. You'll also want to head on over to our YouTube channel and subscribe so you don't miss any of these videos, because we do 2 videos a week and at least one is a Cricut video, so you don't want to miss any of that. Thank y'all so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.